I would like to show you how to properly use the Multipoint hardware on an integrity door. Push down, push down. When you want to close the door, lift up on the handle and let it rest. Close it, lift the handle all the way up, let it rest, and then turn the thumb turn. It looks easy, right? But I want to show you a couple things to keep in mind when operating the hardware. This is the inactive hardware. And when I showed you how to lift up on the handle and I say let it rest, be mindful if when you lift up on the handle, not to let the handle drop. Because I don't know if you saw it, but if you watch this right here, you lift that, see how it goes out of the way like that? Well, when you lift and you let it drop, it lifts up a little bit and the deadbolt will not be able to throw. So always lift and let it rest. Same thing goes for the active side. When you lift up on the handle, it throws the deadbolt, and then you can lock it like that, right? Well, if you lift up on the handle and you let the handle drop, this handle actually drops down a hair like this and causes that to retract. And if that retracts, this is not going to turn. So lift up and lock. Some people will also, when they close the side of the door, they'll hold the handle up and then turn it so they're assured that it's done properly. You do not have to do that. This door also comes with another feature that a lot of people don't know about. It's this little piece here. If you hold this handle down like this and you slide that up, that keeps the latch in. That way if you're carrying in groceries or something, the door will not latch and you don't have to push down on it. And when you want it to go back to the normal operation, you just move it down out of the way like that. Now we're going to lock our door. First, we're going to push down on the handle to make sure the hardware is retracted. We're going to close the door. We're going to lift up on the handle, just like that. We're going to let it rest. Then we're going to close this side. We're going to lift up on the handle and then turn it. It should be smooth, just like that. Also, another thing to be mindful of, when you close these doors, don't hold the handle down when you close it, because the door is not latched and the hardware will not operate properly. So that's how you do that. Now, when you want to exit your house, simply unlock the door like you normally would and push down on the handle. Now, the only thing out of the ordinary that you're doing is when you're closing it, you're lifting before you lock it, just like that. Hope that video helps you out.